Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have 122 dead as landslides flatten Wayanad villages. Now, students, this is a sad news for all of us. At least 122 persons were killed and 197 injured after the landslide. Now, what is a landslide? Students, it's a disaster. It's a natural disaster. Okay, landslide is a natural disaster. Now, it occurs when a large amount of rock, earth, or debris suddenly slides down a slope, like a hillside or mountain. And this can happen because of heavy rain, earthquakes, or the natural instability of the slope. Okay, there are numerous reasons which is responsible, which actually triggers the landslide. But when we talk about Wayanad is a district in Kerala, and Wayanad is prone to landslides due to combination of many factors. And as is said by experts, there are certain factors which was which were actually responsible for this disaster. Number one is rainfall. Now, students, we know that whole country is experiencing monsoon as of now, and we have seen news all over the country that there are many instances where urban areas are being are experiencing are having flood like conditions. Recently Delhi में क्या हुआ था? 3 civil servant aspirants, they died because of the flooded water when it entered to the कोचिंग सेंटर, राइट? तो ऐसा हर जगह हो रहा है। बहुत सारे मेट्रो सिटीज है जहां पर फ्लड लाइक कंडीशन डेवलप हो रही है। एंड वेन आर स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स लोकेटेड ऑन द सदर्न इंडिया, है ना? तो वहां पर बहुत हैवी रेन हुआ एंड इट रिसीव्स दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिसीव्ड सब्सटैंशियल रेनफॉल एंड एनीवे इट रिसीव्स एक्सपीरियंसेस मॉनसून, और यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा रेनफॉल होती है स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून सीजन। And the heavy rain, it can saturate the soil, reducing its stability, and that can trigger landslide. This region, as you can see in the picture, देखो आपको पिक्चर के सामने भी ये दिख रहा है। This region has many hilly and mountainous areas with steep slopes. Now these natural inclines are more susceptible to landslide, especially when the soil becomes loose and wet. जब माउंटेन रीजन पर बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है, क्या होता है उसके बाद? जो सॉइल है, इट बिकम लूज एंड वेट, राइट? एंड दिस कैन ट्रिगर लैंडस्लाइड। ठीक है, तो इससे लैंडस्लाइड हो सकता है। नाउ another man-made factor which has been said by even expert uh, committee and even the members of expert committee like Mr. Gadgil, he has also said that cutting down trees and clearing vegetation for agriculture, construction, and other activities has actually destabilized the soil. So, because you know that the roots of trees, it help bind the soil together. So their removal can increase the risk of landslides. Moreover, there were construction activities going on in this fragile area, in this fragile ecosystem. Levenard has a fragile ecosystem. So when the people they started building roads, houses, and other structures, it can disturb the natural terrain and lead to increased landslide risk, especially if proper engineering practices are not followed. And because uh, there was mass scale of cutting down of trees happening, so it can lead to erosion, soil erosion, and the erosion caused by water flow can weaken the stability of slopes. All right. And students, uh, although this area experiences earthquake not so frequently, meaning that earthquake are less common in these areas, but it can the seismic activity, the earthquake can actually trigger landslide. But what happened is, in currently what happened yesterday was, because of the heavy rainfall and the several other man-made factors made it responsible for the landslide. And also there was poor planning and development in hilly areas without even considering the geological condition. Because as I mentioned earlier, the Kerala has fragile ecosystem. अब fragile ecosystem है, उस पर से अगर हेवी कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी चल रही है और साथ ही साथ अगर डिफॉरेस्टेशन भी हो रहा है, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि जो ट्रीज के रूट होते हैं वो सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखते हैं, लेकिन इतना ज्यादा डिफॉरेस्टेशन हुआ कि इस इकोलॉजिकल फ्रेजाइल रीजन पे जब बहुत ज्यादा हैवी रेनफॉल हुई तो सॉइल लूज हो गई, वेट हो गई, और it had triggered the landslide. Now, is there any strategy by the government? Yes, students. So basically, India has one authority. India की एक authority है, and this authority is responsible for managing national for managing natural disasters. इस अथॉरिटी का नाम है नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजिंग अथॉरिटी. So NDMA along with Geological Survey of India are the premier institution. They together are responsible to manage state level disaster. They are basically state level disaster management authorities. And NDMA has actually developed a comprehensive strategy to manage landslides in India. Like they have identified certain areas, and they have done the mapping of landslide prone areas. They have also established early warning systems in vulnerable areas to provide information to residents and even authorities. So these are some of the initiatives, this is some of the strategies which have been followed by NDMA. But yes, along with it, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे ज्यादा जो जरूरी है कि लैंडस्लाइड को कैसे अवॉइड किया जाए. तो लॉन्ग टर्म स्ट्रैटेजी कुड बी रिफॉरेस्टेशन, है ना, पब्लिक अवेयरनेस, एंड एक तो जहां पे फ्रेजाइल कंडीशन है, जहां पे फ्रेजाइल इकोसिस्टम है, वहां पर कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी लिमिटेड होनी चाहिए, राइट. सो some of these steps can actually prevent landslide in future. All right, so that's it for today, students. Please press the bell icon for the latest update.